Hey guys, welcome. This is Mark Crypto Boy. You know, it is Sunday, the 18th of July. I thought I'd do just a quick recap, quick video of what's been going on. Um, I don't normally do them in the day, to be honest. And I've just been out walking the dog, got soaked, got in, and I'm going out this afternoon. And I've got a lot of work stuff to do this evening, so I might not get time to do a video later on. So the reason where I'm going this afternoon, I've got I don't know if you guys know. I have mentioned it in previous videos, but obviously I don't expect everybody to have watched everything that I've done, because time is key with content, and no one tends to watch something that's a week old in crypto because it's completely irrelevant. So just a recap no, not before. After my first attempt at crypto, I wanted to create wealth, and Bitcoin, crypto, I didn't think that was it. How wrong was I? How wrong? If I'd have stayed in it from 2018, life changing wealth. That's all I can say. Um, but I started doing an Amazon business, and it's proving to be quite successful. I'm getting regular income from it. I'm reinvesting it all into stock. But every month there's like a meetup of like fellow Amazon sellers or wannabe sellers, and we get together and we just have a chat, help each other out, bounce ideas off each other, talk about new stuff, new strategies that are coming up. Um, and I've not been to one for about 3 months, so I'm making the effort and going today. So the reason why I'm doing the video now is because I might not get around to doing it later. I might do, but I have got some invoices and quotes to do for my day job, because I'm a roof contractor as well. Tell you, I don't have time. I don't have time for that. I mean that's paying the bills, but I seriously don't have time for. I don't have time for it. Like me, Amazon and crypto is where my head is. It's where my passion is. Um, it's where everything is. Like, to be honest, it's going more and more towards crypto. But between Amazon and crypto, that's all I'm interested in. I ain't interested in going to work on a roof, getting paid for my time, which is limited, and the amount of money I get paid for my time is limited. So my time's limited. The amount of money people are willing to pay me for my time is limited. So it's a bit of a downhill battle. It's all wrong. I don't want to do it any longer. I want to do this. I love it. I love producing content, and I know it's not going to be as good as watching Crypto Man Ran with his deep pockets. And don't get me wrong, I love the guy. I love the show. I love Sheldon. I love Fred. But how they can get given ideas and allocations is amazing. But obviously, I know you're not going to get that here. But I hope you're not coming here for that. I hope you're coming here for just the familiarity and the how we're all in the same boat. Like, you're just starting off, I'm just starting off. I hope that's why you're here. Obviously, if you want giveaways, then you ain't got to get them here. If I'm talking about a project, it's because I'm passionate about it and I believe in it, and I wanna let you know about it. I ain't getting anything from any project, that's for sure. With 27 subscribers, you're not going to get anyone in the crypto space asking me to plug a project. And to be honest, I wouldn't do it anyhow. And if I did do it, I'd let you know. But I think I'm a long way off that ever happening. So I'm sorry. I should have changed screen. I didn't want you just staring at my face. Like, it's not the best thing to be looking at. Just give me a second. So I wanted this on in the background. I always forget to change the scene. I've not got a separate scene selector where I can just press buttons, create audio, moods, and what have you. I have to physically click it on the OBS platform, which I'm using. So anyway, so yeah, 27 subs. I mean, I've got quite a lot of videos now, so I'm quite proud of that. I actually do like producing content. It kind of spurs me on, and I just think, from what little knowledge that I pick up each day, it's good to share it with you guys and just let you know what's happening. Anyway, from yesterday, Grayscale was dumping 16,240 coins, or GBTC, back onto the market, and it doesn't look like anything's happened, to be honest. If anything, if we look at the heat chart, everything's gone from red to green. But as we were mentioning, more stuff is, on average, I'd probably say it's about 5%. maybe not even that, 5% increase in price, but everything's still everything's still a bargain to get. Everything, to be honest. I mean, ETH's still under 2K, Bitcoin's still around 32. It didn't really drop much lower than that anyhow. So yeah, I mean, I think Link's gone up about 80 cents. Nothing's really moved a great deal. So if you were kind of umming and ahhing on thinking on hanging on to see what happens, then I'd probably take this as if you didn't invest any money, if you had some money on the sideline and you were kind of thinking, I'm going to wait and see what happens, I'd probably consider not putting it all in maybe, but then getting into some of the projects now, because this could be like the start of an uptrend where everything kind of reverses, because I think a lot of people were waiting on this to determine the bottom of the market, and I actually think we've had it. I really do. I really think this candle here at 30, 29, whatever, which few people got, this was like the bottom of the wick. But I mean, on average, it's kind of, if you look at it here, if you look at this line here now, 31,000, it's bounced off it in so many places. So let me put a horizontal line in. Change the color of that. Thicken it up a bit. That's better. So if you look at that line, right, and in fact, we're just going to zoom out a little bit. Right, look at it. So we've got 22nd of May, the first kind of contact with that 31K line. And then again, 8th of June, it hit it again. Then around the 22nd of June, a couple of candles hit it, obviously one spike through it on a wick. And then this did break it. It did break the 31K around the 26th of June, but soon recovered and come back up again. And then here you've got 1, 2, 3, 3 contacts. So the 15th of June, 16th, 17th of June, July. So it's basically been testing and testing and testing this area now. And I think this last week, everybody's been waiting for this kind of GBTC reaction to see what's happened. And in reality, nothing's happened, and it's actually bounced. It's bounced, and it didn't. It's a shame because it didn't finish higher. It wasn't like a higher low. Because if you look here, that candle was around 32,260, and then the 4-hour candle actually went up to 32,4, but it didn't finish there. It finished below, which is a shame. If that had finished higher, but there's still time yet. If we look on the daily, so the daily's looking better because we've finished higher on the daily candle. We just need to recover now and start going on the uptrend a little bit. I don't think the danger's over yet, because we've still got. I reckon the next day or two is going to be critical. I mean, today still could see the whales manipulating. They still could see it. I mean, the only good thing that I can see, like looking at the chart, is on the 4-hour. There was quite not a massive amount, but there was a decent amount of volume, which has obviously pumped the price up. So it went from 31.5 up to 32.4. So not a lot, $900 on the 4-hour chart. But we just need to see some more uptrend. But I think today's probably the key day where the market, the whales could still manipulate. They could still drive the price down. If they will or not, I don't know. Or if they kind of leveled out and they're thinking, okay, right, we've done enough damage, we've killed retail, and maybe they've realised they need retail. You can only smack someone down with a stick so many times, and it's going to get to the point they ain't going to get back up. So maybe they've given everyone a good caning now, and they've got everyone down on the knees, And they're at the point now where they're 50-50 whether to get up or stay down. And I think if they got one more cane in, they'd be flat on the face and they'd just be crawling off in the gutter. I know that's not the best analogy. Well, it's a decent analogy. It's not a very happy analogy. But like, just leave retail alone now, and let us slowly but surely start getting a bit of confidence back into the price. It hasn't dumped like expected, and let people just buy and accumulate and send the price back up a little bit. And if you want to do some more manipulation, do it later on, but don't do it at the minute. We're already on our knees. We don't want to lie down anymore. We're not begging, not beggars, but we just want we want the price to kind of start slowly going up again. Because I personally think we've had the bottom. We have. I can't see us with all these areas what we've tested, and like a lot of people say, well, we keep testing. Eventually, we're going to break it. But to me, that tells you something. That's telling me that like everybody's happy with that price. All the buyers that are on the sidelines are happy. They're happy with around 30,000, 31,000. Because if they weren't happy, where would this volume come from? Like all of a sudden, if the price was meant to go down even further, this would be a red candle. It'd be a sell volume. Like the volume would be like in red for everyone selling off, and it's not. It's the reverse because it's got down. The price went down to 31.5, and people are thinking, right, okay, I'm happy with that. Now this will be retail, institutions, hedge funds. So they've been accumulating Bitcoin. So I think I'm hoping for an uptrend now, and things start to reverse. I mean, I think it's still going to go within the range of 30 to 40,000 for a bit longer. But I think the panic is maybe over. But again, we'll see what happens. I'll probably say if by Tuesday it's still kind of moving sideways and maybe slowly but surely incrementing up and up and up. Like if it gets to this kind of area here where we break 33,000, and then if we can get to that and break out 34, I think that's going to be a positive spin on things. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer. I just wanted to do just a quick video and just finish off looking at green. We all like green. Although red's good as well when you anticipated a market coming down in price and you've cashed out into fiat or stable coins, because then you want your red to accumulate more. But I think most people are over it now, and they just want to say, right, this is the bottom, and we're kind of run our way up. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe, tell your friends about it. If you like the video, smash the like button. Any comments, if you want me to talk about anything specific, please just say comment below and get in touch. And I'm on Instagram. Like if you look below, you've got my Instagram handle, which is CryptoBoyInOz. And if you want to send me a message on Twitter, you can send me a DM on Twitter if you like, at CryptoBoyInOz, and I will get back to you. I say I've got 27 subs. I love creating a community. Even though you're tiny, you're very small. We've got a bit of a niche where we're probably the smallest. I said this in earlier broadcasts. Probably the smallest and most intimate crypto channel on the whole of the interwebs. And not many people probably talk about that. It's not something where people are probably proud of, but I am, because I've just started. And again, I don't think there's anyone else. I've not noticed anyone else that's doing what I'm doing, which is following my journey from having very little to hopefully having a very lot. And in the process, you guys are going to be doing exactly the same. You guys, regardless of how much you've got, you might have $500 worth of crypto, $500. Did I just say that? Yeah, you might have 500, 5,000, 50,000. But when you look at obviously all the other YouTube channels that you're watching, the followers that you're watching, most of these guys, in fact, all of them, I've not come across one yet that hasn't been in the crypto space for 4+ years at least, and they've already made life-changing wealth. So this is the very beginning. So that's why I want you guys to be with me on the journey, so we can be in it together. And that's why I want to interact with you as well. I want to actually get your views, get your comments, see what you're like. What is it you're seeing when you're looking online? What is it you're looking at? What coins have you found? And I don't mean like scam coins. I'm not interested in them, but like any projects that you've found that you want to kind of talk, you want me to talk about, let me know, because I'd really, really appreciate it. And just to get some like perspective from someone else rather than just myself. And I will be doing at some point, I will be doing like done a bit of live. I'll be probably doing a recorded show, getting someone on to have a chat about crypto and what they've got. But at the minute, I'm not at that stage where I think with 27 subs, I've got to build myself up a little bit. I probably want to get to about 100 subs, and then I'll start looking at getting somebody on the show to have a debate, discussion about different things and where we believe crypto is going to go and where we are in the cycle. Like, is it still the bull cycle, or have we had the shortest bull cycle in history, and now we're progressing down into a bear market? Where we're going? I mean, I believe we're still in a bull market. I believe we're just in a bear market within a bull market. But everybody's got different views. Some people are heavily in stable coins. Other people are all in crypto. I'm the latter. So yeah, thanks for watching. So smash the like, hit the subscribe button. Invest well. And as I always said, there's a crypto boy in everyone. There's a crypto boy in all here. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.